Howdy guys, Jordan here. We're going to be talking about the Living Forward Assessment or Life Assessment Profile from the Living Forward book in our series on self-discovery tools. This is yet another one. It's a tool that was recommended and created by the authors from this Living Forward book, which I highly recommend. I just recently finished up this book. This book was on my research list for the most recent book that I'm writing. That I'm super excited to release at some point in the next few months, or several months. We'll see when it gets done. Anyway, Michael Hyatt Daniel Harkavy, I believe that's how you say that name, wrote this book, Living Forward, A Proven Plan to Stop Drifting and Get the Life You Want. Absolutely recommend the book. Really enjoyed it. Good stuff there. So check out that book, but this is the assessment they offer, and I'm not going to go through the whole assessment, but I'll also put the link as to where you can get it. But I did just want to show you what it looks like, how to sign up, as we start to look more about this. I can tell you already, I recommend this tool and it's good stuff. So you have to put email address in there to get it and sign up for it, which is fine. I just went through and selected all of these when I did it, which in retrospect is very silly because I don't have any kids. So why did I select parental? So when I show my results, you'll see that I actually have health or parental results there, which doesn't make any sense. So if you're in a state of, hey, I'm not married and I don't have kids, well then you don't have to select that marital. So you don't need to select all of these. Maybe you're a hermit or you're not spiritually focused. You can deselect those as well. But select all the ones that you're even somewhat interested in. And what this does is it assesses where your priorities are. It assesses where you're at. You'll see these different sets of questions right here that all relate to the topic. They call them life accounts in the book. And then you'll see these questions here. And I like that it's 1 to 10. I think that's a good range. I have enough energy to get through most days. I would put mine at a 9 or 10. I have enough energy to get through most days. So you can choose those. So yeah, take this test as you go through. You'll see it. You'll have fun with it. I'm gonna pause I'm just gonna jump over to my results here so you can see what you get at the end. So you get this handy dandy PDF, which I think is fun. I like how it's really simple. It's 2 pages. I try to be neutral when I'm reviewing these as much as I can, but you can sense that I actually enjoyed this one and I like this one. Actually, you know what? No, I don't try to stay neutral. I'm gonna try to save you time and help you. And I just did a video and finished up one on the disc. And you can watch that video on my YouTube channel. I'm not a huge fan of the disc, at least the tests I took. So yeah, no neutrality here. We're just gonna talk about which tests are best for you to take. But this is what you get from the Living Forward assessment, and it is a free test to take. You can go there and take it for free, but there's more information in the book. So they have things broken up into 4 sections, which I think are really cool. Lift, gift, drift, and shift. So the lift is high passion, low progress. These are the things that you want to do better at, but you're really passionate about these. So I am super passionate about finances, career, and health, but they say low progress. Basically, I look at that as, hey, I'm still working on that. Gift are the ones you're really passionate about and you're doing really well in. And I would say, yeah, self-development and marital. If I'm gonna pick any 2, it would be those 2 that I'm gonna say are my gifts. So as I share with a lot of these tests, does it match up with what you already know about yourself? Yeah, it absolutely does. And it also helps me to see this in a way that, hey, where are my priorities? What am I working on right now? You can see that my drift is parental. I don't have any other drifts. So yeah, my drift is obviously parental because I don't have any kids. I didn't realize I didn't have to answer the questions for that. And I was kind of like, I was gonna say that as a downside to the test when actually I came in, but I realized that was my fault. So these are things that, hey, I have a lot of progress with these, but I don't have as much passion for. So it's either shift them away from your priorities or develop a little bit more passion for. So that kind of shows you there. It shows you result details, what you're gifted at, what they recommend. So that's really cool. And what you lift and what you need to shift there. They even have pages in the book that you should pay attention to. So really cool how they kind of have everything spelled out here. I like that it's just a short 2-page PDF. Basically, the whole point of this is to say, hey, where are my priorities in life right now? Where am I focusing my time? and where could I potentially get better? It's all about personal growth, discovering more about yourself, figuring out what you can do to get just a little bit better. And I think this is a great tool in your toolbox for personal growth. So let me know any questions on this. If you want, pick up the book. That'd be awesome. Happy to answer anything. I'd love your feedback as well on if you take this test and what you get from it. So leave me comments, like this YouTube video, and check out my other self-discovery and personal growth tools and videos on those. Otherwise, have a great day. We'll talk soon.